Sloths are slow-moving mammals known for their leisurely and relaxed lifestyle. They belong to the family Megalonychidae and Bradypodidae and are native to the rainforests of Central and South America. Sloths spend the majority of their time hanging upside down from trees, using their long claws to grip onto branches. They have a unique metabolism, with a slow digestion process that can take up to a month for a single meal to pass through their system. Despite their sluggish appearance, sloths are well adapted to their environment and are excellent swimmers, using their long limbs to move gracefully through the water.